I've had so many messages in the last day or so saying what is happening to the price of Bitcoin. My name's Dr. Jav, and today on this short webinar, this short presentation, I'm going to try and show you what's been happening to the price of Bitcoin. Now, yesterday, 23 hours ago, Elon Musk came out with this tweet, and this is basically what he said. Tesla has suspended vehicle purchases using Bitcoin. We are concerned about rapidly increasing use of fossil fuels for Bitcoin mining and transactions, especially coal, which has the worst emissions of any fuel. Now, when I read that, it sort of makes me think, surely Elon Musk must have known prior to coming out with this tweet that the production of Bitcoin takes energy, and he's come up with this tweet all of a sudden, sort of random tweet, and it smells of market manipulation. What he says is cryptocurrency is a good idea on many levels, and we believe it has a promising future, but this cannot come at great cost to the environment. And again, if you compare this, for example, to the Bitcoin production process to, for example, Tesla, surely Tesla is not the production of Teslas does also have an impact on the environment, because when you're producing batteries, batteries cannot be produced without any impact on the environment whatsoever. So the fact that Elon Musk is now saying that Bitcoin is harming to the environment is just crazy. Tesla will not be selling any Bitcoin, and we intend to use it for transactions as soon as mining transitions to more sustainable energy. We are also looking at other cryptocurrencies that use less than 1% of Bitcoin's energy transaction. Again, the fact that he's saying this again smells of market manipulation, and it's making me think, is Tesla or is Elon Musk going to come up with his own cryptocurrency in the future? Perhaps a more energy efficient cryptocurrency, or is he going to be investing in a technology that involves the production of Bitcoin using less fossil fuels? So is he going to produce energy efficient Bitcoin or an energy efficient cryptocurrency in the future? And again, we see this over and over again, where these multi-millionaires and billionaires come up with these comments, these tweets, which are often quite random. But again, if you look into it deeper, there's something behind this. It's a little bit like playing chess, and he's 12 moves ahead of the general public. And he's come up with this tweet, and on the back of this tweet, we've seen the reduction in price of Bitcoin. Now, looking at this, Elon Musk has 54 million followers, so that's a lot of followers. And when he comes up with something, the information gets retweeted, he gets comments all over the place, and this tweet that he came up with 23 hours ago, so yesterday, has had 122,000 comments, and it's been retweeted 122,000 times. And of course, he would have known this prior to coming up with that tweet, so he knows exactly what he's doing. And again, like I said earlier, this stinks of market manipulation. And what's happening now is that the lay public, I call it the lay public, people that don't know or understand the cryptocurrency market, people that follow Elon Musk, they think he's the best thing next to sliced bread. A lot of them have now sold their positions, and as a result of that, the price of Bitcoin has temporarily come down. And again, if you just look at the news here, I've just done a search on Elon Musk on Google. So Elon Musk says Tesla will stop accepting Bitcoin. Tesla will no longer accept Bitcoin over climate concerns, says Musk. Again, like I said earlier, surely he would have known the impact of Bitcoin technology prior to coming up with this seemingly random tweet. Bitcoin crashes as Elon Musk announces Tesla cars can no longer be bought with cryptocurrency. Now, if I was the lay public and I did not understand the technology behind Bitcoin, I'd be seriously concerned by this information that Elon Musk has come up with, and I would sell my positions. Now, this is why, on average, 76% of retail investors lose their money when it comes to trading. It's a similar percentage when it comes to cryptocurrency. And again, the lay public that would have bought Bitcoin when the price was beyond $50,000, they've seen the price come down and they have sold at a loss. And many millions of people have probably done this all over the world. And again, it's on the back of this seemingly what's the word I'm looking for, random tweet. Bitcoin alternatives, the green cryptocurrencies that want to solve Elon Musk's crypto climate concerns. Again, that if I was the lay public, again, someone who didn't understand Bitcoin, I would go to the news section and I would try and gauge, what's happening. I would come up with Elon Musk's story on Twitter, and on the back of that, I would sell my positions, and that's what he wants you to do. I mean, he's got millions of followers. Again, going back to his Twitter account, I forget how much it was, 54 million followers, almost the population of the UK. And when people see this information, they pull out of the market. And when you search Elon Musk, it's all over the place. That he's saying that Bitcoin is no longer suitable for Tesla, and anyone seeing this, the lay public seeing this, will pull out of the market, which is what he wanted to do. And secretly, he may now buy more Bitcoin, but he won't talk about it, because when the price comes down, you buy that asset. When it's red, you buy. When it's green, you sell. So looking at this chart, this is the Bitcoin dollar chart, and again, if I just look at yesterday, you can see what's happened to the price of Bitcoin following that tweet. And again, during the day yesterday, from the highest price to the lowest price during that single day, there was a difference of 16%. 16%. So Bitcoin has dropped by 16%. Now, that is, obviously it's a big number, but if you look at what I'm going to show you next, if you look at this shows you the drops in the price of Bitcoin going back to 2016 or thereabouts. So, you had 38% drop here in around June 2017, I think it is, or is that 16? But again, a 38% drop here, 33% drop here, 38, 36, 29%. So compared to that, 16% is nothing. So there's nothing to worry about. There's market manipulation going on. We expect this. It's happened many, many times over the years. Ignore it is what I'm saying. In fact, I'm going to say this with surety, do not sell your Bitcoin at this point. What you should be doing now is you should be buying. When the price is low, you buy. When the price is high, you sell. It's basic trading. Bitcoin, the price of Bitcoin may come down further. I mean, I don't know yet what's going to happen. It may come down to $40,000. And again, many, many people who've invested in Bitcoin, people that follow people like Elon Musk and what he says, they will pull out of the market. And when that happens, the price could come down further. So the price could come down, to $40,000. And again, this is an opportunity to buy. If you have a portfolio and you're looking at it on your phone and you're looking at the price going down further and further and getting more and more negative, there's a tendency for you to want to sell, which is what Elon Musk is hoping for. He wants you to sell your positions so the price comes down and he can effectively buy more Bitcoin and promote another cryptocurrency that he might be working on, or promote a more sustainable technology that he might be promoting. So be very, very careful what you see on the news. It's, you have to read between the lines to try and understand what's happening. Elon Musk doesn't care about you. Seriously, he does not care about you, the retail trader. I mean, he's worth billions. He doesn't care about you. But what he does like to do is increase his profits, and that is what he's doing here. And again, when it comes to trading, when there's a winner, there's going to be a loser. So again, he's the winner in this case because the price has come down. Many people have sold at loss, and they've lost their money, so they're the losers. But he will come into the market again and potentially buy when the price is low. And he understands this fully well, and or he may come up with his own cryptocurrency, or may invest, or he's probably done this already. He's invested in alternative technologies which will allow you to produce blockchain technology in a more efficient manner. So be very, very careful with what you see on the news. So again, like I said earlier, 16% is nothing compared to the downward trends we've been seeing historically for a very, very long time. Again, 16% is nothing, so do not worry about what's happening in the market today. Again, if you look at the Wall Street cheat sheet, the psychology of a market cycle, this is what tends to happen. I mean, obviously, when it comes to trading, it's all cycles, peaks and troughs, ebbs and flows, over and over and over again. And currently, we are around the optimism level. So at the moment, we are around the optimism level. And as you can see, there's ups and downs in every market. So the markets come down a bit, and in the next few weeks, even days, maybe the odd month or so, the rally will continue on the way up, so that eventually we'll hit a price in the six figures. That could happen in the next few months. So this will continue. And the people that have sold out, people that don't really know what's happening, will look at the market and think to themselves, this is a scam, it doesn't work. Again, this is what the market wants you to think, and this is what these billionaires and multi-millionaires want you to think, so they can make more money. Retail traders, 76% generally will lose money. It's the 24% that are making money, the Elon Musk's, other multi-millionaires, and people in the know when it comes to trading. So the market, in my opinion, is being manipulated, but you have to be able to read between the lines. Now, going back to, let's have a look. Was it the 28th of April 2021? Elon Musk came up with a tweet, the Doge Father. So apparently he was promoting Dogecoin just a few days prior to the tweet that he's come up with recently. So he promoted Dogecoin on the 28th of April. If you go to the charts on the 28th of April or thereabouts, you can see the price since then has generally gone up. Again, my question to you is this market manipulation? So he's forced, in a sense, the price of Dogecoin to shoot through the roof. And again, this has happened since his tweet came out. And again, looking at the price from the low on that day to, let's have a look, to the high point. I can't even see the numbers, but again, let's have a look. It was about 170%, at least 170%. That's what's happened. At least 170% has been, if not higher, 180% increase in price over those days, again as a result of a tweet by Elon Musk. And what I find extremely scary is that if you look at some of the comments people have actually put in onto his Twitter account on the back of that tweet, it's really, really shocking. So this person here has stated, "Your words give life and energy to Dogecoin. I have invested 5,000 rupees in Doge, and now it's in a little dip." Basically, people have put their life savings into this on the back of a tweet. "Hi Elon, I trust on your tweet. After this, I invest my whole savings on Doge." I mean, these people are basically the traders that will lose money, unfortunately. And if you just keep going down, you'll see that people have invested a lot of money on the back of this tweet. A lot of money. But look at this. Elon just created $6.9 billion in 15 minutes. That is what Elon is doing. He's making money for himself from social media. It's market manipulation, in my opinion. And he's doing this just by sending out tweets. And this happens over and over again, but you need to be able to read between the lines and understand what's happening in the market. Do not follow media. This is media. Do not follow what's happening. Do not follow these unfortunate people who are now buying or have been buying Dogecoin with their life savings on the back of this silly tweet that he placed on the 28th of April. So again, obviously be very, very careful with what you see on the news, and don't follow what these multimillionaires are doing, because they have only one agenda, and that is to make themselves more money. They don't care if you make money or not. It's irrelevant to them. They want to increase their bottom line, they want to increase their profits, and they can do so, which is very, very scary, by just a single tweet. So I've shown you this chart earlier for Dogecoin to show you the increase in price that has occurred. Obviously, it's come down since, and many people feel that Dogecoin is actually a hype coin, and again, Elon Musk is behind that hype. So the market will get manipulated. Media, you have to be very, very careful with what you read in the media. And again, at the moment, going back to the Bitcoin chart, it is a good time now to buy Bitcoin. The price may come down further, but even if it doesn't, now's a good time to buy. It's a very, very good opportunity to buy. There will be new trends and greater opportunities that will come into play. Currently, the market obviously is quite shaky because it's only been 23 hours or so since that tweet came out. Again, it's a cause for concern that people around the world follow these tweets and end up in hot water, and they do actually lose their money. Many people do actually lose their life savings, as you have seen on some of those tweets. So again, be very, very careful of what you see on the news. If you want to learn how to trade cryptocurrencies properly, please do reach out to me. We have an amazing cryptocurrency team. We have thousands of people all over the world that trade full-time successfully, that form the 24% of retail traders that make money from trading. We don't follow these tweets. Obviously, we watch them, and we understand when there's market manipulation in play or not. We understand the trends in the market, and we know what to do on the back of those trends. So my name is Dr. Jav. Thank you for taking the time to listen to my short video. And the fact that Elon Musk has rejected Bitcoin, it's not a big deal. It's a tweet that's come out. It's market manipulation. Be very, very careful. Don't trust these random tweets. You can reach out to me via any of the above social media channels. If you've learned something from this video, please do subscribe, like and share. And again, let's help you to become financially free, as you can do on the back of cryptocurrency trading. Thank you for your time. Please let me know if you do have any further questions, because I've done this video on the back of questions I've received already. You know, why is my Bitcoin value come down? Why am I losing money on Bitcoin? That is why it appears that you are losing money. My recommendation now is for you, obviously this is not financial advice, but I'll recommend for you to stay in Bitcoin and watch the price go up further within the next few weeks, next few months, and it will surpass $100,000 very, very soon. Again, my name is Dr. Jav, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video.